Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use UpBase for coordinating digital art projects. To kick things off, we'll start by creating a new project in UpBase. Click the New Project button on the dashboard. This is your first step towards organizing your digital art project because UpBase lets you keep all project details in one location. Now that we've done that, let's invite collaborators. Click Add Members and type in their email addresses. The reason we do this is to involve all necessary parties in your project, ensuring everyone stays in the loop. Next up, we'll set up tasks. Click on Add Task, write a brief description, assign it to a team member, and set a deadline. This helps us because it breaks the project down into manageable parts and helps track progress. Now let's upload files. Click on Add Files and select your digital art files. You can also comment on files, so let's add some helpful notes for our team. This matters because it makes sure all necessary materials are easily accessible and clarifies any potential confusion. Lastly, we'll use the chat feature. Click on Chat and start a conversation with your team. This is important because it fosters clear and instant communication, solving issues in real time. So to wrap up, remember, UpBase is a powerful tool for coordinating digital art projects, helping you manage tasks, collaborate efficiently, and keep everything in one place. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating.